Hi there everyone, welcome back again to another video of Technoholic, and today I am super excited to talk about Claude AI plugin now available for Microsoft PowerPoint. And why I am so happy, if we talk about Microsoft PowerPoint, there is already Copilot AI with the help of whom you can create a complete new presentation. Well, yes, in a way you are right, we can create the complete presentation using this feature. But when it comes to Claude AI, it is whole next level. So let's see how to first of all install Claude AI inside PowerPoint, and we will try to create presentation utilizing the same. So let's quickly go here in home and look for add-in, which of course you're gonna see in the end. And now look for Claude AI. Now here we can see the Claude AI is there. So click on add and there you go. Now all you need to do is you need to click on login. Now click on accept cookies, and then here either you can use your email or Google to sign in. So I'm gonna quickly enter my ID. Now one more thing, while entering my ID, I want to let you know that you need to have either Pro, Max, Team or Enterprise plan. The Pre plan as of today doesn't offer this capability. So you need to have any of these 4 plans. Now we need to click on authorize and there you go. Now let's click here on try again. Now you're gonna see this kind of interface where you can explain, your role. So I'm gonna say engineering, or you can choose anyone based on your requirement. So let's click here on I understand. So here you can simply ask AI to create a complete PowerPoint presentation. For example, I'm gonna say create complete PowerPoint presentation on water cycle. Okay, so this is a very small topic, and let's see if it can create or generate presentation on this topic. And there you go. Here you can see it is proposing the following storyline. That looks good. And you can see here it says, let me start by setting up a beautiful nature theme slide master and then build each slide. Now all you need to do is need to wait for Claude to run through its magic. And now here you need to give it permission. So I'm gonna say always allow, so that it does not need to ask me every time when it is creating this. The Claude have completed the whole presentation, and the presentation looks really awesome. And the way it was created, it showed us the whole layout first and then started working on it if one agree. So this was a very quick overview of how one can download and install Claude AI and generate stunning looking PowerPoint presentation inside Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office and productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.